Hello kids, I hope you have revised the last exercise where we learned that how we have to make the angles, and now in today's exercise let's start with the figure it out of 2.10. Okay, so let's start the class. First one here is in figure 2.23. So this is a figure given to us. List all the angles possible. We have to name all the angles. Did you find them all? And now guess the measures of all the angle. Then measure the angles with the protractor. Record all your numbers in a table. See how close your guesses are there to the actual measures. So let's do it. What we are going to do here is, first of all, we are going to name these angles. Okay, and so let's do it in a way. Let's name them and simultaneously measure them using the protractor. So I will start with here with this point C. So kids, with C as the vertex here, I'm taking the color. Okay, with C as the vertex here and AC and CD as the arms, we will have angle ACD. ACD, this angle. So if we have to measure this angle using a protractor, we will keep the center of the protractor at the vertex and one line of the protractor at the base CD, and then we can measure where the other ray AC is going. So when we will do this, kids, this angle will come out near to 72 degrees. We know how we have to measure. Just keep the center of the protector at the vertex and one line of the protector at the overlapping with CD, and we will get the AC, that where AC is lying and what is the angle. So this is how we have to do for ACD here. Now the other angle here is CAP, means this angle. Okay, so we have to measure this angle with the protector. We will keep the center of the protector at A and in line with AP, one line with AP, and we can see where AC is falling. So we can find out that what is the angle. So when we are doing this, this angle will come near to 108 degrees, kids. Same way, we have another angle. I am just writing also angle ACD. It is around 72 degrees. Angle CAP is 108 degrees. Angle A, this one, APL. Angle APL, when we will measure, we will keep the center of the protector at here vertex at the vertex P and one line PA with the line of the protector to measure the angle. This one will come around 82 degrees. Okay, I'm writing 82 degrees here. Similarly, we have an angle here also, angle PLC, or you can also call it PLD. I'm marking it as PLD. Okay, PLD is angle here, vertex of the protector at L and one line in parallel with LD, overlapping with LD, and we can measure where this is falling. So this is coming around, I'm writing here, 98 degrees. Okay, this is somewhere around 98 degrees. So we have covered this portion. Now we are coming to another portion here. So first one here is angle PLS, this angle. We can keep the protector here in line with LS, center of the protector at L, and one line overlapping LS, and we can see what is this angle where this line is following LP, and it will come around 82 degrees. Okay, I'm marking here angle PLS is around 82 degrees. Next angle is LPR, this angle, LPR. So how we can find this? Protector at P, one line with PR, and where this is falling. This will this particular angle, it will also come around 98 degrees. Next, we have this angle PRS. I'm marking it here, angle PRS, this angle. So, center of the protector at R, one line overlapping PR, and we can see where RS is falling. So, we can determine that what is this angle, kids. So, this angle will be around this particular, it will be around 102 degrees. I'm writing here. Last one is this angle. L, angle RSL. Angle RSL is protector at the center of the protector at S in line with SL, and we can see where SR is following. This angle, it will come around 78 degrees. Okay. So I'm writing 7 and 8, 78 degrees. Kids, one more thing I wanted to say. This is one where we are measuring with the protector and we are getting the angles. But we have another method also. If we know that what is this angle, we know that what is angle APL. We know it is 82 degree. We have find out using a protector. Now I have to find out this particular angle. That is angle LPR. Okay, this angle LPR, which is 98. There is another method, that is, we know that this complete angle is 180 degree. So if this complete angle is 180 degree, because it's a straight line, and I subtract one angle, we will get the another angle. See it this way. Okay, we have A and B and we have P here. Somewhere here we have R and we have P here. Okay, we have P. We know this complete angle is 180 degree. And also we are measuring this angle AP and L as 82 degree. This one is 82 degrees. And if I have to find out this angle, this will be complete angle minus 82 degree. This will give me this angle. So we can do it this way also. Just find out directly. You don't need a protector in that case. But then you should know what is one angle. Then only you would be able to subtract from 180. And we will be subtracting from 180 only when if it is a straight line. Okay? Wait. Yeah. So this was one thing. This was this question where we have find out that what are the different angles here. Okay, and similarly if you have to find out what are these angles, kids, I'm marking in black. So this is complete angle. 180 minus 78 will give me the measure of this angle, nearly 102. Similarly here also complete 180 minus 102 give me the measure of this angle, 78. Right? Similarly, this is complete 180 minus 72. It will give me the measure of this angle, 108. And right here also, total is 108. 180 minus this 108, we will get the measure of this angle, which will be around 72. So now we know all the angles in this figure. Okay, so few angles we have find out using a protector, the red one. The blue one also we have done using protector, but we could have find out by simple subtraction. And the one which I have marked in black in the figure, this is general, this is using the normal subtraction from the straight angle, that is 180 minus the another angle given on the same line. Okay, so this is one thing. Second thing is use a protector to draw angles having the following degree measures. So kids, I am very sure that by now you know that how we have to make these angles using a protector, but I am giving you a hint again. So for 110 degree, what we have to do is vertex first, make a line. Let's say I'm making this as A, OA. Keep the center of the protector at O here and one line with the one line overlapping the base of the protector and see where 110 is coming. Since we know it is more than 90, so it will be after 90, somewhere here. It will be somewhere like this. Your angle should look something like this, 110 degree. Okay. Now coming to 40. If I have to make 40, same thing, OA, and then I'm taking another angle, color, sorry. For 40, it is less than 90, it will be coming somewhere here. Keep your protectors, keep the center of the protector at the vertex, line parallel to OA, overlapping OA, and then we can see mark 30 using the protector. This is, sorry, 40. So somewhere here it will be 40. Similarly, somewhere here it will be 75. Same, you have to do the center of the protector at O and one line of the protector overlapping OA. We can find out 75. Next is 112, somewhere here. 134, somewhere here. So I'm very sure you kids, you can do it. Still, if you face any problem, please email me. We can take this also. Okay. Next is draw an angle here whose degree measure is same as the angle given below. Okay, so we have to make one angle which is having the same degree as given in this figure. So what we have to do is we have to find out the vertex of this angle. So what is the vertex? Where two arms they are meeting, which is H. Now at this vertex, what we have to do is we have to keep the center of the protector here, one arm of the base of the protector overlapping with this line. Okay, so one arm of the base of the protector line with this line, and we can see where the other is falling. That way we can find out the degree. So kids, when we will do this, you will find out that it is around 120 degree, this angle. Okay, so we have determined that this is 120 degree angle. Now next what we have to do here is we have to make a 120 degree angle in a different figure. So how we can do? We can take a vertex. First of all, I'm taking it as O. I will make a straight line. I'm making it as A. And now I will keep my protector, the center of my protector at O, and the baseline of the protector overlapping OA, and I will make 120 degree angle. We know 120 is greater than 90. It will be after right angle. It will be somewhere here. Sorry kids for this line, but you are using scales and protector. It should come as a straight line. It is OAB. Always see that your lines are straight. So this angle will be 120 degree. Same angle in a different figure we have made. Okay. Now kids, let's move further. We have type of angles and their measures. This is a part of it we have already done previous in this chapter and in your earlier grade also. Okay, so let's see how it is. We have read about different type of angles in this chapter. We have seen that a straight angle is 180 degree. We know this. Right angle is 90 degree. How can the other type of angles, acute and obtuse, be described in terms of their degree measures? So let us see that how we can do this. Everybody, we know here that an angle which is of 90 degree is a right angle, and any angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle, right? So the angle which is greater than 0, marking here, okay, this is 0 degree, sorry, this is O, this is A, and this is 0 degree. And we have learned as we move further, this degree goes on increasing till it completes 360 degrees, right? So any angle which is greater than 0 and it is less than 90, this is a 90, it lies somewhere in between here, between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This is called as acute angle, right? Similarly, we have done if any angle it is greater than this 90 degree, this is called obtuse angle, and it is less than 180 degrees. Okay. I'm making this 180-degree line. So between 90 and 180, it will be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, which comes in this bracket. Same has been written here. Angle that are smaller than the right angle, they are called right angle, that is less than 90 and greater than 0 degree. They are called acute angle. Examples are shown here. We can make them in any direction. Okay. Next we have obtuse angle. They are the angles which are greater than 90 and less than 180. We have done that. They are called as obtuse angle. They can come like this or in any shape. We just have to see in what direction we are making it. Then we have reflex angle. So what are reflex angle? The angles that are greater than the straight angle, that is they are greater than 180 degree and they are less than the 360 degree. So kids, if I make an angle here, this one is obtuse, but this angle, the remaining this angle, this is my reflex angle. Okay, this is the reflex angle. Now this is done. Yeah, so we have a figure it out 2.11 which corresponds to this, kids, but I'm going to take this in next class, otherwise we will get confused. Okay, what I need from you all is please practice at your home. If you have any queries, please email me and I will see you all in the next class now with 2.11 figure it out.